Hi guys, this is Ashiq. So last 2 months I have taken multiple interview round for cloud and DevOps, and we took general DevOps interview, not only specific cloud. We took AWS, Azure, GCP, some general DevOps questions also. So in my channel I have seen multiple comments, sir, why I'm not able to crack interview. So after completing first and second round, still I rejected. I don't know why. So it can be multiple reason. Maybe that interviewer, that interview panel, would not be interested on your profile, right? So even though you have a what should I say, capable enough to do that, maybe they are not interested, maybe they are seeing some other reasons. Okay, so that's what, maybe we will get another job, good job, right? So I want to explain my experience when I took interview. Okay, so the first thing I want to point, see, students are unconfident or unsure. So whatever they are saying, so most of the times students are confident, but when they come to an interview panel, so they are overwhelmed, or I can say they are bit nervous. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, because see, definitely interview panel, they don't know who you are, and you can do whatever they want, right? So this is the one which I noticed, students are not confident. Okay, if you're not confident, it's a big trouble for you guys. Okay, so definitely just keep in mind that. And second thing I have noticed, students are simply lying. Even if they haven't done that project, even if they haven't done that particular topic, they're saying, hey, we have completed this and I have a real-time experience on this. So if interview panel have experience on that particular topic, they can simply catch you. Okay, so whatever the lie you are saying. So one thing I just want to say, see, one of the students, he was saying, I have a experience in monitoring. Okay, so it's an open source monitoring, so I was asking some questions in deep, so he was not able to. He was saying he created an end-to-end monitoring from scratch, and by using XYZ tool, but when we start asking question, he's not able to. So literally that make a bad view on him. Okay, so the interview panel, they just pointed out, okay, actually this guy is not good, because so first he was committing this, then after he was saying, no, I don't know. See, he would have say, hey, I don't know that, I haven't worked, but I know the tools, I know that how to works, but I haven't got any opportunity to work. So that is literally fine. Okay, no issues. But certain students, they are committing, yeah, I have worked with that, I have worked with the Kubernetes, but even though they don't have experience, yeah, this is happening. Okay, and third thing which I noticed, all students are theoretically, they are very good, theoretically in the sense, so we were conducting 2 rounds. Round 1 for completely theoretical round, we are asking some technical discussion, some technical questions verbally, and round 2 we were conducting as a practical plus theoretical technical discussion. Okay, so we will ask some questions and candidates has to do some practical infrastructure which we gave. So this was the round. So see, theoretically they are able to explain, they are able to crack the round, but when it comes to second round, they are not able to do practically. So I can give you a simple example. Our project was, I can give you a simple example. So in round 2, they have to create a small infrastructure. So to create an infrastructure, they have to create a virtual private cloud, 2 subnets, only 2 subnets. Okay, but see, the candidate is not able to create those subnets. So this is pretty obvious. He don't know virtual private cloud, and he's saying, and one more thing, this was completely open book exam. So they can go to Google, they can use ChatGPT also, no restriction. Okay, so even though that candidate is saying, no, Ashiq, I can't go through Google and all. Even if I go through Google, I'm not sure whether I'm able to get this done or not. So be confident on that, and whenever you learning cloud or DevOps, so make sure you have a thorough knowledge on networking. If you don't have a networking knowledge, I'm not sure whether you're going to resolve any issue when you have an issue in production. Okay, because mostly in production, issue come from the from the networking level, right, or the application level. But if you don't know the networking level, how the application data is traversing, then it's a bit difficult to understand. And third thing, lack of knowledge. There are multiple students, they're coming with a very basic knowledge. When I ask, small questions from AWS, it can be from Kubernetes, they are not able to answer. So see, lack of knowledge in the sense, see, they know how Kubernetes work, they know how to deploy these all stuff, they know. Okay, but if I ask any question in deep, for example, not in deep, very basic question. So I was asking one question with multiple students, but 99% students, they are not able to answer. Only one student answered. So the question was, so yeah, this was a question. So I have a two service, API 1 and API 2. Okay, and so they have to communicate between these API 1 and API 2. Okay, so I don't want to use any public URL, I want to use a private URL, and only one student answered that. Okay, so I don't want to use any public URL, I want to use a private URL. So I was asking what are the methods. There is a no fixed answer for this. Okay, so they can take any answers they want, but I was checking what kind of knowledge this guy have. That's it. Okay, yeah, this points I want to just mention with you guys. So whenever you attend an interview, be confident. So what you're saying, and if you don't know that, just skip it. Okay, because if somebody there in interview panel who know that topic or that particular item, then definitely you crashed. Yeah, so you can connect me over LinkedIn if you have any other questions. So thank you, bye.